Okay. There's the glacier over there. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung glacier, ha? Hindi na kasi umikot na kami. So we turn around. And that's the glacier over there. That's the glacier over there. Okay. Umikot na yung boat kasi it's too narrow. Hindi na tayo makalapit. Yes. At habang papalapit ka, lalong palamig. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, okay.
Kung anong init sa Tugigaraw, siya naman lamig dito. Grabe, tignan niyo. Oh.
We're not going all the way in because the passage is so narrow. We're just gonna watch it from a distance.
Okay, so where are we going?
Pretty much close to it.
Okay.
So we just see it, that's it.
Yeah. Oh, nakikita niyo yan? Mga ice. Oh. Oh. Say hi kayo, hi. Oh, to mga crew. Mga crew ng Star Princess. Oo. Ayan oh, ang daming mga ice. Oh. Look at that. Oh, ice yun, no? That's ice. Mga nadurog-durog na ice. This is falls.
Thank you.
And that's the glacier.